Hi guys, here I am again. As promised, this is the other haul I did on the same day as the Salvo stall. I got these items from the City Mission shop in BURNIE. Sorry everything's backwards. I'm filming on my laptop today. Anyway, firstly, we got this lovely vintage book, What Katie Did. I remember these from when I was a child, so that was $2. Then we also got The Secret of the Forest, $2. So they're very cute vintage books. Once I get a nice collection of those, I'll probably pop them as a bulk lot on eBay. I also got a nice little collection of Goosebumps books. Now my children had these growing up. I'm not sure if these are the older. I don't think they are. I think they're a newer style. But anyway, got Goosebumps, The Curse of the Camp Cold Lake. So these were all $1 each. Goosebumps Ghost Camp, Night of the Living Dummy, The Haunted School. It's handy they say on the back as well. This is one of the Reader Beware ones. Tales to Give You Goosebumps. I Give Yourself Goosebumps. I might have to have a read of these before I pop them on eBay. And Chicken. So there was 2, 4, 6, 7 of those. They cost me $7. I'll check out comps and pop those on eBay for sale. And the next little thing I think I just got to keep myself. I just thought it was quite cute. A little mushroom. It's sort of embossed. And it says, the secret to having it all is knowing you already do. That was $2.50 and it was Splosh, designed in Australia. I just thought that was cute. And a great little saying. I've got these two little plates with the cut edging. I'm trying to think what that's called at the moment. It escapes me. So they have their little flowers. Both the same. They were 50 cents each. They do have a mark on the back. I'm not sure if it's Japan or something label. But for 50 cents, I thought they were quite nice. Oh, I'm having a really bad hair day today. Shoes aren't my big thing, but I thought these looked pretty good. So they're nice floral wedges from Sports Girl, size 10, so a nice big size. I'd say they haven't been worn a great deal because the label is still stuck to the bottom. So they were $6. I'm yet to find out comps on those, but I just thought they were really pretty and really unusual. We'll see how they go. I didn't buy a dud. Two-piece set. So, skirt. Nice, like sapphire blue. I was going to say emerald then. Emerald is not blue. The elastic waist. Split at the back. That's the skirt. And we have the jacket. And they are by Inspiration. That tag looks pretty vintage to me. They were $5 for the set. embroidery. Quite a nice. That's quite a nice long jacket. Good for $5 for the set. Rogue hair hanging here somewhere. Excuse me. Oh dear. Oh, whoops. Trying to find my cup of tea. Where did I put the books? On the cup of tea. They're a bit warm. Oh goodness. Not thinking very clearly today, obviously. I grabbed this. My daughter and I watched the Riverdale. This is the Riverdale Vixens top. Brand new with tags. Must have been a gift to someone who liked Riverdale but never bothered wearing it. That was $3. We'll see how that goes. If not, my daughter will probably like it. So the Vixens are the cheerleaders. I must catch up on the rest of the season. Actually, I'm a bit behind. Now this one was $3.50. It is a Bonds navy and white striped dress. Long 3/4 sleeve maybe. Nice fitted stretch dress, quite thick. So it'll be nice and warm for the winter months. I'm not sure about this one. It is a little sleeveless cardigan by Established, made in Thailand. It's brand new with tags, size 22. It's just a little knit sleeveless cardigan vest. That was $4. A fancy knit vest. There you go. I may even keep that for myself. I'll see how it fits. Everything. And I think lastly were the vintage made in India Seagulls. So there's this one was 50 cents. The smaller one was 50 cents. They're just hanging seagulls, like the good old hanging ducks. Well, I assume they're seagulls. And that one was $1. I'm not sure if that one's had a bit of a weld job or not. Maybe. Yes, I thought they were quite cute and retro. The good old 3 birds hanging on the wall. And at that price, I couldn't leave them there. They are from Copper Art, so they are quite vintage. Copper Art closed many years ago now. I remember I used to buy things from Copper Art back when I was quite young, probably 30 odd years ago. Yeah, so my sister gave my son her set of beautiful, heavy, large, etched, patinaed brass deer. I nearly died when she handed them to him. I'm like, I love deer. She went on to give me a lovely etched glass lamp, which was quite nice. But the deer, oh, the deer. I've been looking for the deer for years. She gave them to my son and he won't give them to me. And I accidentally told him how much they're worth. Uh-oh. But anyway, some brass seagulls for now. That's a terrible tale of woe. Anyway, I will leave it there. I have many more videos to get ready. I have so many thrifted items. Some of these items will be going up on my eBay store, which I will link below. And that will do for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.